my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, you get one video where one of my followers sent for me, like seriously. My people, this video, you get one girl, the girl go man carry and go house. Then the girl can't steal the guy money, steal the guy things. I can't they see where they beat the girl. They ask am say, hey, how it collect the thing where he put am. The girl can't they tell them. What they call they shocktalize me like when my people be say where the girl put the thing. Now they even they shock me now. Where she puts the thing. Girls, I don't understand some of una. When say una they do runs. If you be runs, girl, you carry man. You want can go do steal the guy thing. We be say the guy had already settle you. You still go steal things. I don't understand una. Like seriously. Some girls, we really need to give girls advice. This girl thief this thing. Then they ask her where she put her. She even see put for inside her bekus. Hey. This one a hardy criminal. She even put for inside her bekus, so my darling people. Inside her bekus. Now this girl, they forgive her degree for stealing. Degree, now they forgive this girl. This girl is a bit thief. Well. And what it could even make you go steal the boy thing finish. See, put her for inside your bekus. Hey. My people, our girls of nowadays, some girls are terrible, like seriously. Some girls are really terrible. Men, more na the little girl before una carry go out see. Una want to use eye they see girls. This girl if so many things, put some for inside her bobby, put some for inside bekus. The guy can't the shoe count for inside her bekus, one bring the thing come out. I say, not to wake bekus not go see you. Not to wake bekus not go see my darling people. So it don't reach like that now we be say our girls now we consider they put something for inside their bekus. Like seriously, my darling people. This one shocktalize me, oh. It shocked me. I never see this kind of tea before. Say girl go thief, put her for inside her bekus. Hey, girls, more than say they give una self-respect. Some girls are terrible, like, I don't understand them. You carry man, they settle you. What you can still make you now go they steal the guy things? What you can make you go they steal the things? Why you go the thief? Why you go the thief? You don't steal now, they don't catch you now. How you can't reason your life now? How you reason yourself? My darling people, what did this girl do now? Go thing. Some girls, I don't understand what they worry them. I don't just understand, like seriously. What go come make this girl now go thief the guy things now? If I finish, what you can even they surprise me say? He put a versa at bekus. They have to the guy should count for inside this girl bekus they bring a come out. He should count this side. Now you can still pass. Una also carry degree for stealing. Stealing by trick. So I just want to give our guests advice. Say they should stop doing all those things that they give disgrace to girls. Disgrace. More na go work not go let una work. Una go just believe on stealing. Una mates now they do hairdresser. The one where they sew cloth, Who they do hair since now go come get they carry black boy, different black boy they go. Who they work since now? go get that kind of time, my darling people. You know, go get that kind of time. But work not go let them work. They believe on stealing. So go they steal people things till they survive. Because those kind of girls, they be targets. Any guy will carry them go as not to thief their things. Now to thief their things, then they go they do. Eh? So girls work full everywhere. Now girls now they do nails. To survive, now they day. To survive. Girl go they do nails. You go they do hair. You go they even do makeup. Go and learn it. Go learn all those things. Than when you take they carry different boys, they go, they steal their things, they go. Go learn something. Go learn handwork. I just want to give our guests advice. Go learn handwork. Instead when you they steal, they go. Stealing is not good. Like as they give you this public disgrace, now you like them. As the video full everywhere now, you like them. You not like them. Your face full everywhere. Maybe one better man for see you tomorrow. Now we one carry you now. You don't go fool yourself. You understand? Of which is not good. You know? So guess I not just know what they worry them. Go learn work, una not go learn. Una hear where Suleiman talk and that they say, how can they get go saying you not get handwork, even to even learn, if he even pay me where say me not learn and when me in Nigeria. He pay me. Eh? Sometimes if una will get opportunity now to learn all those things, you go turn problem for una. Eh? You say how can a girl go dey Nigeria there say he don't know how to make up, he don't know how to do nails, he don't know how to do so close if you don't know. What do you gonna use your time they do? They use and they carry different black boy they go. Eh? After now, don't go give different black boy una make us don't vandalize una finish now. Una will come they look for man who will put una for house. Eh? Go they steal something, go put her for bekus. Bekus. They have to the true count for bekus, they bring the things come out. Now what for you this game? Now what for you, my darling people? Some of people. I beg, Mona help me advise this girl, advise our girls, make they learn handwork. Handwork, they very, very good way. Instead of them, they carry them different black boy, make they go learn something. Yeah, very, very important. Thank you, my darling people. So, if you now think say I did like for this video, when I feel add me for WhatsApp, I will send the video for now because some girls are really terrible, like seriously. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye, everybody.